Today's featured car of the day is a 1961 Cadillac Coupe DeVille that was built by Danny the Count Coker and his Count's Customs crew on counting cars. That was on, I think it used to be on the Discovery Channel. Haven't looked to see, but if you have the streaming channels, you probably can find it on there somewhere. The reruns when the series when they built this car, a 1961 Cadillac Coupe DeVille for the SEMA show. And then they auctioned it off at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. And it sold for $60,000. And it was a beauty. The paint job that they did was fantastic. It was really an eye catcher with their nice bright blue colors they used. It showed the car having 46,615 miles on it. But it says in the description that it's a one-of-a-kind custom vehicle with new rebuilt engine with less than 100 miles on it. And everything was in excellent condition. And as you see in the video and the pictures, it was definitely a beautiful car, definitely an eye-catcher. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1961 Cadillac Coupe DeVille Custom built by Danny the Count Coker and his Count Customs crew on his television show, Counting Cars. And it sold at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California for $60,000 back in 2019. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Car Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.